Gym and fitness centers need constant promotion to bring in new members, but making daily videos can be exhausting. That's where ShortBeast AI steps in. With it, you can create short, motivational videos, workout tips, or quick promos for classes in just a few clicks. The AI handles the script, voiceover, and visuals so the videos look professional and ready to post. Imagine a gym posting a daily 30-second tip about workouts or a short clip showing a new class. These videos grab attention, keep members engaged, and help attract new clients without the need for expensive marketing. If you want to start making gym and fitness promo videos, use my link in the description and sign up for ShortBeast AI today.